Alright, we just got home from our nephew's preschool graduation, and the young women in the ward, Codee's friends, the activity today was to decorate people's driveways. So we're going to show you what they did at our house. Alright, so we got class of 24, we love you. What does this one say? Grad 2024, Taylor 2024. Codee, class of 2024.
That's cool.
Congrats! That's so cute. And then we love you.
This is good.
Hold up, I'm trying to. And then we got we love you. Congrats, congrats, balloons. Oh, they did. They did your school logo. What?
That's so cute.
I love it. And then congrats, Codee, with the cap and rocket star. Oh my gosh, we gotta take pictures of all these because it's gonna rain.
That's so cute.
What do you say?
Oh, thank you.
That was so nice of them. All right,
I want to see what they're putting gills for.
you can walk over there.
Because I was skipping every other word first.
Just do it.
You would think that her next door neighbor would be a prime candidate for her romantic comedy fantasies. But Wes has only proven himself to be a pain in the butt ever since they were little. Wes was the kid who put a frog in her Barbie dream house, the monster who hid a lawn gnome's severed head in her little homemade neighborhood book exchange. Flash forward 10 years from the great gnome decapitation. It's Liz's senior year, a time meant to be rife with milestones perfect for any big screen, and she needs Wes's help. See, Liz's forever crush, Michael, has just moved back to town, and horribly annoyingly, he's hitting it off with Wes. Meaning that if Liz wants Michael to finally notice her, and hopefully be her prom date, she needs Wes. He's her in. But as Liz and Wes scheme to get Liz her magical prom moment, she's shocked to discover that she actually likes being around Wes. And as they continue to grow closer, she must re-examine everything she thought she knew about love and rethink her own perception of what happily ever after should really look like. That's like a movie that we saw. I don't remember what it was called though.
It's called Before, but better than the movie.
Better than the movie.
Oh.
Okay, you can't read it till after your graduation party. All right, guys. As you know, and if you don't, Codee graduated. Woo woo! You are a high school graduate. How do you feel?
Fine. The same. I don't know.
You don't feel no different?
No.
Well, you look smarter to me. All right.
Cool.
In the process of graduating, she's received a few cards, and we're going to be opening those now. Let's see what we got. Who's this one from?
Nancy Wall.
From Nancy Wall. All right. And you have to read the card. You must read. Because I know in all them 15, 16 years of school, you learned how to read, right?
Yeah.
Okay, read the card. What does it say?
You gotta read the front.
Yeah.
It says stuff on the front.
Okay.
Grad, here's to the great memories you have. Codee, to the amazing ones awaiting to be made, congratulations. Congrats on your accomplishments. Best wishes for your future.
She's doing good. They never taught her
I can't
cursive.
read cursive.
Yeah.
For some reason they stopped doing that. But love from a fellow
okay.
type 1.
Nancy Wall. I sent you $10 on Venmo, and then she told Mom to put it in. So thank you.
Awesome. Okay.
Oh, I struggle.
Let's see the front of the card. So cute.
Well, that's okay because I can translate.
Yeah,
He has to read Grandma Dolls too.
Yeah, Codee has
Grandma Brewers.
Yeah. Okay.
I can read hers.
Okay.
This one's from our neighbors. It says, "Congrats, graduates."
Cute. What's it say?
Ooh. Yay. Okay. It says, Codee, throw up Throw your cap high and take a bow because your bright, shining future is starting right now. Best wishes. Congratulations, class of 2024. Love, the Burton family. Aw, thank you.
So
Sweet.
cute.
I'm gonna put it in here so I remember where they are.
Okay.
Which one? Should we do the one with my name spelled wrong? See who it's from.
Wait, is your name spelled wrong?
Yes.
Oh, that's
I
from
think it's-
Grandma Doll.
No, I think this one was.
Oh. I don't know then.
I guess Grandma Doll knows how to spell my name.
Oh, it's probably Justin.
No, this one's from Justin.
That's from Hope.
Oh, two different things?
I don't know.
You'll have to.
You have to open it and find out.
Trying to open it.
Maybe they just figure your name spelled exactly like your daddy.
Ooh.
Okay, let's see the front.
I like the front of it. It says...
For the graduate, get some shoes on there. I like the color of
Give me
those.
some money for some shoes? Just kidding. Ooh, thank you. Oh, okay. Celebrating with you as you look forward to what's ahead, setting new goals, dreaming new dreams, and preparing for your incredible future. Congratulations. Best of luck in your future, Judy.
Hodson.
Yeah. Who's
Okay,
that?
Justin's mom.
Oh, okay.
There you
I
go.
was like, who is that? Thank you.
What was in the card?
$30.
Nice. Well, since you already got new shoes.
No.
Hey, this is adding up pretty good.
I know. She could take us
American.
out to dinner. Oh, yeah, you got your... What? What's that weird flag on the side? Just kidding.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, this one I think is from Grandma Doll.
Grandma Doll. I keep recording out the window. Sorry.
That's okay. Okay, oh, here's the front of it.
Aw, a little happy face.
Congrats, graduate. Know your future. I know your future is going to be bright, really bright. You better wear sunglasses.
Come on.
Dear Codee.
Come on.
Oh.
And here's a little something to make it even brighter. Enjoy. Congratulations. Go do your best every day.
Have a dream
You can do.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
It's from Grandma Doll.
It's in cursive.
Okay, let's see. Dad got it?
Have a dream and you can do
Anything?
the dance, etc. I think is what it says, but you can check it because they're
Do your best every day. Have a dream, and you can do the dance, etc. Love, Grandma Sandra.
Very nice.
And then she gave me
What? I was recording your mouth. That was so weird.
$70.
Holy crap! Grandmas are awesome.
Yes. Thank you.
All right.
I'm gonna see
You have one more card.
Yeah. This one is from Hope and her family, probably.
Yes. Sorry.
I hate opening envelopes.
Just rip them. Unless you're planning to save the envelope, it doesn't matter.
Don't be so crazy that you rip the card. And
Yeah,
you
don't
feel
rip the
bad.
card, but
No,
because
I
that
won't.
you'll
I won't.
save. You can make a collage with all the cards. Really cool.
Come on.
It's glued in.
Come out.
Okay,
Got it.
let's see. Cute. Little stained glass. What's it say? Oh, it's a whole handwritten card. Bless you. Is it in cursive?
Yeah, but it's
Okay.
easy. Stop.
I love you.
Well,
Congratulations on your graduation. We are so happy for you. Good luck
What?
in all you do. You are a darling girl. Good luck in your future. Thank you. Love, Cammie, Justin, Hope, and Haley.
Aw,
Thank you.
I didn't see.
$20.
What? You got a lot of money. How much did you get? Don't recount. Do you know how much it was total? I think it's 130.
You want me to count that?
Because you really don't remember?
No.
Okay.
I tried to remember. I really did. It's just my brain is tired and it's been a long day.
People have been very generous.
Yes.
Very nice of them.
Yes, I agree. Thank you.
So what you gonna do with all of that money?
Save it.
You're such a smart child. Wait till the prices drop and you can put a down payment on a house.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110.
That was a 20.
120, 130, 140, 150.
$150.
That almost pays for my shoes.
We bought your shoes for you.
Yes.
Well, that was awesome.
Thank you.
That was super awesome. All right. All right, guys. We have another present. A friend sent through Venmo to Codee. I just cashed it out. Boom, boom.
30 bucks.
And who's it from?
Davy and her family. Thank you.
Awesome. We have a graduation card to Codee Jean.
I think it's weird when people call me that.
You think it's weird when people call you that? It's your name.
But like everyone at like school and dance and stuff just calls me Codee, but then family calls me Codee Jean, and it's really weird.
Well, it shouldn't be weird because that is your name. Codee Jean. And then you grew up and it was so much work to say two names.
Sorry to
I think she makes the card herself. What's it say? Let's see the front. It says Splendid. So cute.
We are very proud of you. Congratulations, 2024. Love, Andrea, Ron, and Shaylee.
Aw, so cute. Oh my gosh.
That's
That is
cool.
the cutest. Hold up, I'm zooming in. It's a little graduation cap of money. That's awesome.
That's so cool. Thank you.
Right, we have another card. Let's see. To Codee. Read it.
Grad, way to go. Yes. Woohoo.
Woohoo! Nice.
This is from Bella. She's from dance. Okay, you want me? Okay, 1,000 hands of applause, a million smiles, and one great big wish for continued success. Congratulations on your graduation. Do you want me to read what she wrote?
Yes, you gotta read it loud.
Hey Codee, it's been super fun getting to know you over the last year, from the fun stories to the chaos in class. It has been an absolute blast hanging out with you. I'm so excited for your graduation, and I know it will be fun. It will turn out great. I hope you continue at the studio next year so we can keep hanging out, or just hang out anyways. You've been a great friend, and hope we stay in touch. Congrats. Good luck, Bella.
Bella.
And then she gave me $20. Thank you.
So nice. Well, today's the day. It's graduation party. Way to go, graduate. Congratulations, graduate. We're getting our food set up. Got Codee's gift from Mitch and I to her right there. Codee's got all the tables set up. So cute. It's gonna be a fun party. Are you excited, Codee? Yes! Heck yes! She sneezes. Bless you. Hey, babies.
That's so big. They have the shoes that match the lights.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like they're part of the light show.
I think it's for the little old ladies who absolutely don't do the wrong way. And you're almost supposed to see the pink ones. They go back out.
Just made me laugh because Virginia told me that I was going to be pink. So I saw Oliver and I was like, you. Go check. And it goes, they're blue.
Ellie, hi. Oh, don't you cry. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come here, come on. Make your mind up. Dream big. Okay. Let's do it.
You can always come back and get more. There's
Yeah.
plenty. We have more in the kitchen too.
Okay, scooch over, stand there, block the seam or whatever. Okay, perfect. Cheese. I can't see that sign. Okay. We're gonna cheese. Okay, Cody, come on. Cheese. Oh. Hi. Are you gonna go dance? Cody, she wants to dance. I'll just dance right here. Okay. Oh, well, I was gonna get a picture, but we'll wait because your dad's eating. He said no. Can you toss it? Whee! Now roll it back. Hey, take turns. Make sure you give it back. Oh, get it. Happy birthday.
Birthday?
You have to read it out loud. Okay, let's see. Okay, for a special graduate, wish bigger, laugh louder, dream bolder. And most of all, be happy. Wishing you the best on your graduation. Okay. Don't move it. We're so very proud of your perseverance in accomplishing all that was required of you. We know it wasn't easy. Always remember how special you are.
Don't cry.
We're so glad that you're our granddaughter. Be happy, Grandma and Grandpa Brewer. Okay, let's put it back in there. Oh, and what was in the card? Show them what was in the card.
Oh. And then $50.
Woo woo!
No, you gotta graduate high school. What grade are you in?
You get rich and you graduate high school?
You get 4.
No.
Sit down. You get 4 when you graduate. You gotta start paying your own bills. You gotta move out. Okay.
Okay.
Read. Loud.
Happy graduation, Codee. We are proud of you and so excited to see all the amazing things amazing things your future holds.
Right over here.
And then
Love, Josh. Sean.
okay. Josh, Sarah, James, Kate, Ruby, and Luke. And they gave me $20.
They're young women's leader. Okay.
I hate reading cards.
But that's okay. You got to practice reading now, so you'll be able to read to your kids someday.
That's what they teach you in high school.
They teach you how to read in elementary school, my friend. Who here knows how to read? Raise your hands. Show of hands. Oh, you know how to read? Macy, do you know how to read? Okay, you have to leave the circle. I'm teasing you. You know that.
What's that?
What are you doing? Are you making faces? Oh my gosh.
Your future is bright.
Read loud.
Oh goodness. Okay. You did it. Congratulations, graduate. You have absolutely I can read, guys. I have absolutely loved meeting you. You are so kind, funny, and talented. You are so good at clogging it and just keep getting better. Thanks for being my friend. Good job, Heather. P.S. Now go take on the world. What are you waiting for? Thanks for being our dance friend. Congratulations. It's been so fun to meet you and get to know you. We wish you all the happiness in the world. Keep dreaming big. Congratulations.
Come on.
Thank you.
The Beardo family. This is our friends here, our new dance family. Woo-woo! Thank you. Thank you for coming. Like Elvis has not left the building yet. Okay. Hi, Doran. Say hi.
Nope.
Macy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Ellie, can you
Say hi. What's wrong with you? Say hi.
Maybe.
You can come closer. She might have a really good present. Okay.
No, that gave him intentions
Okay.
to steal my money.
Okay. Oh, it's got a C on it.
It has a seat. It has my feet on it.
It has a C. Oh my goodness.
Congrats. We are so excited for you as you made such a big step and you worked so hard. And that makes this even better. We love you, Marin and Hatch family, Lydia. Congrats, Codee. We are so happy and proud of you. Congrats. I'm proud you graduated. We love you.
The lens. So it's from both of them.
Okay. I was so confused.
What did you get, girl?
A Target gift card, a Crumble Cookie gift card, and a Costa Vida gift card.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you.
It's from all of you. What?
You didn't say thank
I did say thank you.
you. Okay, just checking. Hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. No. Oh, I wasn't recording. Hi, Ellie. Hi.
She just smiled. If you can,
Conceive.
you just read that one.
If you can conceive it, your heart can believe it, and you can achieve it.
Codee, may you always have a dream to inspire you, wisdom to guide you, and good friends beside you. Congrats on graduating. We are so happy that you joined STAR and we got to meet you. We are so proud of you. Love the biggest. Thank you.
What was?
I don't know how to say your husband's name.
Vaughn.
I was
Like Vince Vaughn?
I just said
Oh, yeah.
Lydia and Oliver. Lydia and Oliver.
Codee doesn't know who that is,
My
but
brain is
I'll show her later.
I do know.
You know who Vince Vaughn is?
I don't want to. Okay. It's tied to the bag. I got some nerds.
You are a nerd.
No, I'm not. And a card.
She is a nerd, huh?
No, I'm not.
At least she didn't get dum-dums.
It says you did it.
You did it.
Codee, congrats on your graduation. You've done an amazing job and we are so proud of you. Keep shining brightly and remember that you are always capable of achieving and
You're always capable of cheating on your test.
you set your mind to best wishes for a bright future.
Nobody
Thanks
can
for
hear
being
you.
a good friend. It has been great to dance with you, Yippee. Caius and Kelby.
Okay.
Cool.
Here,
They're not
put it in here. Put it in here.
Whoa. Got some popcorn.
Yum. Movie night. What?
And then my favorite cake. And then a bracelet. Do I have to read what it says?
It says the adventure begins.
And then it has more words and it's a bracelet. And there's a card.
Very fast.
I'm doing my best, girl.
Oh, I'm girl now, not grandma. You graduated.
It's a cat.
Meow.
Oh, okay. I was like, who is this from?
Okay, come on.
Okay. Dear Codee, congratulations on graduating high school. I'm so proud of you and can't believe we are going to college next year. I love you so much. You are a rock star and you always know how to have fun. Love you lots, Codee. I'm super happy we are best friends for life. I'm so proud of you. EXO, your best friend / sister, Macy.
Okay, now you have to read what the bracelet said.
Okay. Behind you, all your memories. Before you, all your dreams. Around you, all who love you. Within you, all you need. Follow your dreams. Enjoy your journey.
Aw, Macy, that's so cute. Okay, that was from her friend Macy that left a little while ago.
Okay. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay. Along with these congratulations come with wishes for every success. Congratulations, Joyce. She's our
Visiting teacher. And there was something in it?
And then $10.
Okay. There was something else?
Yeah.
What?
And a candle.
Okay.
Hold on.
Do you want to smell it? You know he does.
It's called In the Zone.
Do you want to smell it?
Yes.
Okay, open it.
The books I ordered. Call first half. Break up. Begin again, and then better than before. Yeah. And then a matching necklace that they gave me.
Okay, I've been working on this Codee 15 years. Hold up, ready? Open. You can open it now.
It's a book.
Oh my gosh!
Open it up. Just the first page.
Oh, that's cute. It's all my teachers. Aww.
From preschool when you were 2.5 till yesterday.
It got progressively harder when you got to junior high.
It got progressively, yes, trying to find and track down 7 teachers every year to sign your book. That is so cute. Flip the pages, Codee. Lay it flat and just turn. You can read it later. We want to see the book. You can flip the pages. And I told the teachers they could write anywhere they wanted, so each teacher would find their own special spot and would write something specifically to you. There was a couple teachers. Well, there's room for friends if you wanted anybody else to write in it. Something special.
Can I read this like at home?
Yeah.
I don't really want to read it.
Are you tearing up?
You'll be there a while.
Oh, good. You know we're all dance families here. We get together, we want to do dances, solos. Woo! You guys are awesome! That's not your name. Go, Kason! Go, Oliver! Codee's the only one in advance. Woo! Go, Codee! Keep going! Keep going! Smile! You're being judged. Oh, here come the queens. Woo! Go Heather! Hey. Woo! Woo! So was it every level then? Was she doing pro? I thought so. Yeah. Woo. Oh, I love this. This one's my favorite. Good job, Kason. I was gonna say Heather could dance with you. Woo! She's like, that's all I know. Wait, she's gonna do it.
That was a part.
Woo! Go Virginia! There's nothing she can't do. Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo! All right.
That's fun. These kids are cute, aren't they?
They're all competitors. Casey's dancing with no shoes on. Look at that, man.
Yeah, it works better with shoes.
How are you guys?
Come on! Join them, Kimberly! No. You don't know this dance? That's okay. Get some food. Heather could do it with you. Come on, Codee. Oh, come on! Nationals was 2 weeks ago. How you forgetting it?
I was doing traditional.
He said good, he's tired. Thought I was total dance for the summer. Woo! Don't mess it up. Okay, go. Woo! Final chapter. Okay, go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Sunday mornings were your fave. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek. You did your hair up like you.
Woo woo! That was amazing.
And I can't hide. It's burning deep inside. Wherever I go, wherever I go, I've got that good feeling kicking me out of my chair.
Her big expressions. Nice. Woo woo! What? That's what happens when you try to dance by chairs.
Look, some Hershey's bar.
His
What?
shirt says Hershey's.
I want to eat
She wants to eat you.
She wants to eat your shirt.
I like to wear this at the gym.
There you go. And everybody's like, man.
Kimberly, is this one yours? Yeah.
Are you gonna bring it over here? Yeah, we need to be it, y'all. Okay. You're hot, Codee. You're so hot.
Surprise!
Happy birthday! Oh my gosh, so cute.
Oh, the card is funny.
The card?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Did you pick the card out?
She did.
Card is funny.
I opened it and it was funny.
So you picked it out?
Yeah. I opened it before
Oh,
you.
it looks funny.
Yeah.
Just from what I can see.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Is it a hamster?
inside it's funny.
Inside?
Read the front.
Is it a hamster?
Okay.
Is it a hamster?
Chipmunk.
Oh, chipmunks.
Something.
Close enough.
What is it?
It's a chipmunk squirrel. Squirrel!
You know our animals.
Okay.
Now that you've graduated, there's only one thing left to do. Go nuts. That's funny.
That's funny.
That's funny, baby. I'm gonna close it so it doesn't die, and then I'll put it in my room.
Wait, what is it? Okay. If you're, it sounds like I'm talking in the mic. Okay.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
She did it. She did all her schoolwork. Layla's like, wait, anyone touch me somewhere? I feel loved.
Sometimes your guys' show just pops up when I watch TV.
Yeah? Do you watch our videos? Are you my biggest fan?
Sometimes it just pops up.
Yeah, it pops up on me too.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, oh, it's me.
Cute.
What?
Your mom said I'm cute, and she said you're gonna freak out.
Because
Because you are cute.
I said, she's the cutest kid I've ever seen. Even cuter than Codee, but don't tell Codee. And she had to tell you. Paul, mic drop. She's adorable. Okay. One more card. Who's it from? Let's see.
It says, high school graduate. Many things in your life will come and go, but what you accomplish is yours forever. Codee, you're a wonderful example of what someone can achieve through patience and hard work. You have lots to be proud of, and so many people are proud of you too, McKenna and Pepper.
Aw.
And then a gift card for $25.
Nice. Be sure you tell them thank
I
you.
will. Kason filled up my water bottle for me.
Oh, nice. Kimberly, why aren't you doing the church clap? Yeah. It's a church clap. Kimberly gonna do it. Your mom can dance. Yeah, she's a good dancer. Your little sister can dance. Look at her. Woo! What? Where's your skills? Come on. Party's over. Now we gotta clean up. It's a lot of work. Did you have a good party? Are you ready to go home and go to bed? Yeah? Are you tired? I'm so tired. I'm so tired too. All right. Who's this card from? We are rereading the cards because
you can hear them.
there was so much noise at the party. We didn't think you could hear them. So Cody's going to reread the cards.
Okay, so this one's from Kimberly and Jagger, and they gave me a gift card to Walmart. And it says, now that you've graduated, there's only one thing left to do. Go nuts.
Oh, that's so cute.
And it just says, Kimberly Harrison, I love you. Jagger, Bowie, Layla, good job.
Nice.
Okay. Congrats. We are so excited for you as you make such a big step. You work so hard, and that makes this even better. We love you. Marin and Hatch family. Congrats, Codee. We are so happy and proud you graduated. We love you. The Lunts. And they gave me a Costa Vida gift card, a Crumble Cookies gift card, and a Target gift card.
Dang, girl. She's got money, money, money.
And then
You have really good friends. Okay.
real quick, Tamara Hyde from Hide and Seek gave me $20, and then my Aunt Tammy gave me $20.
What's her channel?
Life with Granny T.
Okay.
I'm just like her.
You're doing shout outs. You might as well include their channel.
Yes.
Okay.
You did it. Codee, congrats on your graduation. You've done an amazing job, and we are so proud of you. Keep shining brightly, and remember that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Best wishes for a bright future. Thanks for being a good friend, Codee. From Kelby, it has been great to dance with you. Yippee, you're free, Caius.
You're free! Yippee! That's awesome. Caius is pretty brilliant to know that, yippee, you're free. You're like, I still have to pay rent. Okay, yeah.
I was like, what?
Next card.
You graduated.
Cute.
Okay. Dear Codee, congratulations on graduating high school. I'm so proud of you, and I can't believe we are going to college next year. I love you so much. You are a rock star, and you always know how to have fun. Love you lots, Codee. I'm so happy we are best friends for life. I'm so proud of you. XO, your best friend / sister / Macy Rasmussen. And so now you're cute and smart. Congratulations.
Nice. What's it say?
Your future is bright. You did it. Congratulations, graduate. I have absolutely loved meeting you. You are so kind, funny, and talented. You are so good at clogging. Just keep getting better. Thanks for being my friend. Good job, Heather. P.S. Now go take on the world. What are you waiting for? Thanks for being our dance friend. Congratulations. I think it's Olivia is her little sister.
Oh.
It has been so fun to meet you and get to know you. We wish you all of the happiness in the world. Keep dreaming big. Congratulations. Her mom. I can't remember.
Her first name?
Yeah.
The Beardalls?
Yeah.
But it doesn't say.
Well, it says the Beardall family.
Oh, okay.
And then they gave me $20.
Nice.
Thank you. Okay, this.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes. If I forget to say thank you, I'm sorry.
You're very thankful, right?
Yes. Okay. Happy graduation, Codee. We are proud of you and so excited to see all the amazing things your future holds. Loves Josh, Shara, James, Kate, Ruby, and Luke Cochran. And then they gave me $20 too. Thank you. For a special graduate with bigger laughs, louder dreams, behold. It's fine. And most of all, be happy. Wishing you the best on your graduation. We are so very proud of you. Your performance in accomplishing all that is from Grandma Brewer and Grandpa Brewer, so I can't really read it. But if you want to pause
I think I read that one.
Yeah.
So I will just include that clip of me reading it.
And then they gave me $50.
Nice. $50.
If you can conceive it, your heart can believe it, and you can achieve it. Codee, may you always have a dream to inspire you, wisdom to guide you, and good friends beside you. Congratulations, graduate. We are so happy that you joined STARS. We got to meet you. We are so proud of you. Love the Bigums.
Nice.
How do you say your last? Anyways.
Jeannie, Lydia,
Layla, and Oliver.
I say Big Ham. I don't know if that's right. Bigum.
They gave me $40.
Nice.
Yay. Thank you. So many people gave me so many cards. Okay. Congrats. Okay. Along with these congratulations come with wishes for every success. Congratulations, Joyce.
Which is our visiting teacher.
Thank you.
Our ministering sister.
Yeah.
I know. They changed the title, but the job is the same. She's a wonderful lady.
Yes, she's so
And what did she give you?
$10.
Nice.
High school graduate. Many things in your life come and go, but what you accomplish is yours forever. Codee, you're a wonderful example of what someone can achieve through patience and hard work. You have lots to be proud of, and so many people are proud of you. Congratulations, McKenna and Pepper. And then they gave me a $25 gift card.
A Visa gift card. Ooh, that could be your first tank of gas. Well, probably a quarter tank of gas unless the prices go down. Right?
Mm-hmm. It's true. Okay. Congrats, graduate. I know your future is going to be bright, real bright. You better wear sunglasses. Dear Codee, here's a little something to make it even better. Enjoy. Congratulations. Go do your best every day. Have a dream you can do the something. Love, Grandma Doll. Sorry. I'm gonna read it. Nope. Grad, way to go. Yes. Woohoo. Oh, we already read this. Just kidding.
All right. Do you want to read those other little notes that you got from your party?
Yes, I did.
So we asked our guests if they wanted to give Codee some graduation advice. And let's see what they said.
Okay, it says, Dear little fella. I wonder who wrote that.
Okay.
Advice and well wishes. Way to go. That wasn't easy and you stuck it out and put up with a ton. Well done, girlie. With love, Daddy Mitch.
Aw, so cute.
Dear Codee, advice and well wishes. I wish you success and happiness. Look at the stars, smell the roses, dance in the rain, pet the animals, listen to the silence, and enjoy the music. Grandpa Brewer. Dear Codee, I hope you have an amazing time not having to go to school and hope you're the best in everything you do. With love, Eloise. Dear Codee Jean. I think it's so weird when they put my middle name on there, but it's only family that does it.
Codee Jean, go.
Yes. The only advice I have is always be true to yourself. You are and always have been amazing. There will always be haters and doubters in life. Do not give them your time. You can do anything. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe. Love, Sarah Metcalf. I didn't know it was from her. I thought it was from
Nice.
Thank you. Okay. Dear Codee Jean, I wish you joy and happiness in all your future endeavors. I think so. My only advice would be keep doing what you are already doing because you are amazing. Love, Tammy. Dear C. And then Brenna drew me, I guess.
Oh, so cute. Nice.
I love the little kid ones. Dear Codee, be yourself. Tamara.
Nice. Oh, so cute.
Dear C, love Taisley.
Yeah, they were going with the vibe right there.
I could tell. Codee Jean, this is the end. Dear Codee Jean, this is the end of one big adventure and the beginning of a whole new one. Take your time, look at all your options for your future. My hope for you is to enjoy the opportunities that come your way. You can do anything. Believe in yourself always. With love, Grandma Brewer. Dear Codee, I didn't know he wrote one. Dear Codee, advice and well wishes. So proud of you for graduating. Hope to hang out more. Love, Kaysen.
Aww.
I love Kaysen. He's the best. Dear... this was the first one Macy wrote.
Nice.
And then it says, Dear Codee, advice and well wishes. I don't know what the first one is. I think it's a smile and then Mom. I love you. With love, Macy.
Nice. She wrote, Mom, I love you.
I
Cute.
think Carrie helped her, but I love seeing the little kid ones.
They're so cute. All right. How close are you to your car?
I don't know.
Do you have enough to get it yet? Nope. Not quite. What's that you got there?
My favorite gift.
It's just a book.
No, it's not.
Oh, the places you'll go. What are all those writings?
Every one of my teachers from preschool till a couple weeks ago
Has
written in it.
Has written something in there. Your mommy works really hard to get that for you. And I'm not going to cry.
It would give me so much stress to not lose this book from
We
my-
moved.
I know.
We moved. I
know.
thought I lost it twice. And then when I gave it to your one teacher to hold to try to get the last few signatures, I was so freaked out that she was going to lose it. I know she wouldn't, but
I'm glad she didn't.
if she would have lost it, I couldn't get those signatures again. Miss Lamar doesn't work there. Some of those teachers
lot of
don't
them.
work there. Yeah. So now you could take that book if you wanted and have like your dance teacher sign it and stuff like that if you wanted. But you got to be so careful not to lose it.
Yes.
Maybe pull that FedEx bag out because that was the protector. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been an awesome day. Have you had a lot of fun?
Yes, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I did not sleep good last night. I will though.
You
tonight.
dance so much.
I know.
Y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all dance so much.
Ready for bed.
Yep. You definitely have to get together with McKenna from MC Family Vlogs and her boyfriend
Yes.
and see if
Papa.
Hope wants to come along. And y'all go do some line dancing. That would be so much fun. All right, guys. Take care. Be kind to yourself and others. And we will see you in our next crazy adventure.
Bye.